In this session, let us learn about inserting rational numbers between any two given rational numbers or large number of rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. These models will be covered in this session. Namaste, welcome to Adharva Nava. I am Sirisha and I teach mathematics and physics for CBSE, ICSE and IGCSE grade 6 to 10. To follow my classes, kindly subscribe to Adharva Nava, hit the bell icon for further notifications on different topics. Kindly share, comment to help others as well. Thank you. Welcome back. We were doing the course on rational and irrational numbers. So the topic today is on inserting rational numbers between given two rational numbers. Okay, we have altogether 3 to 4 methods to do this, and based on how many number of rational numbers you want to put between two given rational numbers, it depends on that. So completely, and that's how we will see the methods today. So let me take one example. Say for instance, the question says insert two rational numbers. Q stands for rational numbers, you know that. So Q means a rational number. I'll write it little neat. Okay. Insert two rational numbers between 7 and 8. Okay. Between 7 and 8 you have to place one rational number. So the method 1 is so. Okay. This is method 1. Let us see the method 1 here. I'll solve using a different color so that you can identify. Okay. So first thing, you will take 7 comma 7 plus 8 divide by 2 comma 8. You can also write like this: 7 is less than definitely 8, correct? But you want to take the average of those two numbers and write this way. So 7 less than 7 plus 8 is how much? 15 by 2 less than 8. So this definitely will be between, so 7 is less than 7.5 less than 8. This is how you can solve using method 1. Okay, method 1 is you have to take the average of two rational numbers and then you get the number which is in between these two numbers. Let us see, one number is given, one number is found. We need to find the second one. Again, repeat the same procedure. Repeat the procedure. So what you will do, 7, you can pick any one. You want to pick this and this, you can pick it. You want to pick the other way around, yes, you can do it. Okay. Let me change the color so that you can understand. I'm just using 7 less than, definitely 7 plus 7.5 divided by 2 less than, don't write 8, you have to write 7.5, 7.5 less than 8. Okay. So then 7 less than, 7 plus 7 is 14.5 by 2 by less than 7.5 less than 8. So I can write 7 less than 7 point, isn't it 7.25, because 2 sevens are 14 and 0.5 can be written as 0.25 if it is divided by 2. So 7.5 less than 8, definitely yes. Or you can do, if you want the second term, these are the two terms which you got, or you can do like this also. Why only 7 and 7.5? 45 takes 7.5 and 8. Yes, you can do that. You can write 7.5 here less than 7.5 plus 8 divided by 2 less than 8. So 7 less than 7.5 less than 7 plus 7, 14, 15.5. I'm sorry, I am making it a little clumsy. I'll write down. Yeah. So I can write 7 less than 7.5 less than 15.5 divided by 2 less than 8. 7 less than 7.5 less than, this is 2 sevens are 14, 1 left 15, 7s are 14, again 5 less than 8. So the two included numbers I can write. I will show you with the different color. 1, number 2 here. This you can get like this or like this. Okay. So anything is correct. Method 1 is you take the two numbers and try to take the average or mean of those two numbers and write 1, insert the number between the two given numbers, rational numbers. Now again you want one more of the rational number, then you have to take the average of either these two or these two. Okay, let us solve one more question so that it is much clear for us. Okay, let me take this page down. Okay, so let me take one more question which says insert 3 rational numbers. Okay, Q stands for rational number. Again I am telling you, Q is rational number, so I am writing it short. So 3 Q's means 3 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Okay, so this is what you want to find. Then you can do like this. 3 here, I'll use the other color so that it's differentiating for you. Okay, so write 3 comma, or you can write less than symbol also. It is anything, it is up to you. So you can write 3 less than 3 plus 4 by 2 less than 4. Okay, 3 less than 7 by 2 less than 4. So 3 less than 3.5 less than 4. 1, we got one digit, one rational number here. Okay, apart from this we have another one. We want to find another one, so we will find that. So let us write 3 less than, okay, 3 plus 3.5 by 2 less than 3.5. Don't write 4 please. Again I am telling you, this is the point where you have to be very careful. You cannot skip 3.5 and write as 4. That's wrong. Okay, so 3 less than 6.5 by 2 less than 3.5 less than 4. So 3 less than, this will be 3.25 less than 3.5 less than 4. This is one way of solving. The other way of solving is 3 less than 3.5 less than, okay, I'll use the space down there. 3.5, can I write like this? Okay, I'll use down only. There's no much space here. Okay, the other one is, so you got here two rational numbers here. So let us see another way of not picking 3 and 3.5. We'll pick 3.5 and 4. Okay, so we'll write 3 less than 3.5 less than 3.5 plus 4 divided by 2 less than 4. 3.5 less than, so you will write 7.5 by 2 less than 4. 3 less than 3.5 less than 2 3s are 6, yes, and then we have 15, which can be 2 7s are 0.75 less than 4. Okay, so yes, we got two numbers here, 1 2 1 2. Although our question says 3, isn't it? What do you expect? We have to do one more set, isn't it? So let us see how to do one more set. Yep, you will do one more set here. Okay, let me take another color so that it's actually quite differentiating for you. And then we take 3 less than, I told you, right, you can pick any one set and do it. So I'll pick this one. So 3 less than 3.5, okay, less than 3.75 less than 4. I'm taking this one. If you wish to pick the other one, yes, you can do so. If you feel this is more easier, you can do that. It's completely fine. You can take anything. I'm picking the second one because it's already existing there. So rake 3 less than, again 3 plus 3.5 divide by 2 less than, don't forget whatever is last number you have to get this number. If you skip 3.5 and write as 3.75, it's wrong. So 3.75 next, and then 4 next. So I'll write 3 less than 3 plus 3.5, how much? It should be 6.5 by 2 less than 3.5 less than 3.75 less than 4. Okay, so 3 less than 3.25 less than 3.5 less than 3.75 less than 4. Okay, so what do you understand? So try to pick numbers which are easy, convenient to solve. So I inserted 3 rational numbers as directed to me. Okay, insert 3 rational numbers between 3 and 4. One was here and one was here or here, and then I took the second part and I solved. I got this one. Okay, so anything is fine. You can pick this one and solve. That's up to you. Prefer the one which is easier. So I preferred this one, which is little easier. Yes, that's it. That's all about these 2 methods which can solve how to insert rational numbers between 2 given rational. This is very simple, basic, fundamental method, and there are methods to come yet. We will see that in the next session. Okay, thank you.